Hey guys, back down to XP Realty out here at 128 Danbury Court in beautiful Savannah Quarters, right in Pooler, Georgia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 1,496 square feet, offered at $329,990. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's the 128. It's right here in the middle of 126 and 130. We're gonna go over here into the front, as you can see. Brand new construction. Now this is Savannah Quarters. Beautiful area. Great amenities. Huge pool with a slide. They got a golf course. They got a social club. Lots of stuff to do here. It's fantastic. Look at granite countertops. I love that. Stainless steel appliances, except for a refrigerator, which is typical with new construction homes. Love the sink, but you can buy a refrigerator to go right there. Love the upgraded cabinets. You got your pantry right here. Bang, pantry. Gonna come to your half bath right here. All right, it's a half bath right off the living room area. But this is a wide open space. It's pretty big. It's deceivingly big. You see, there's a lot of space in here for entertaining or what you're gonna do. Obviously, you got a covered porch. We'll go out there in a second. Let's go upstairs. All right, so we're at the top of the stairs, as you can see, there's a little closet right there. This would be your primary bedroom. It's got 2 separate closets. As you'll see over here, you got a walk-in right there, walk-in closet. And there's another one right here. So great, fantastic. Everybody gets a closet. You come in here, dual vanity, granite countertops as well. Standing showers is beautifully tiled. Love that. You see that? All right. And let's go to the other bedrooms. Come down here, as you see, it's carpeted. Here's your laundry room area right in the hallway. Conveniently located upstairs. Here's one of the rooms. You can fit probably a queen in here. But that's about it. And then here's a closet. Then go to the bathroom right here, and you see, once again, granite counters, shower tub combo, and then come into this room over here. This one you can fit a queen and then a bunch of furniture in here if you want to. If you want to put a king in here, you could. It would fit a king. So you got a lot of options in this room. Just that one room is a little bit smaller than the rest. All right, so let's go outside. All right, we're leaving the beautiful kitchen and living room area. We're going out the back. This is the Warbler plan, just so you're aware of what plan this is from Dreamfinders Homes. This will be your backyard, but the great thing about these townhomes is that they're located right next to the gate, so you're in and out really quick. All right, we're leaving the kitchen and going into the 1-car garage right there, just so you can see it right there. Real quick, there's your water heater, 1-car garage. So it's 128 Danbury Court in the Savannah Quarters. If you give me a call at 912-657-3544 if you have any questions. All right, talk soon. Bye.